Eric Ellis here, and in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can promote Clickbank products without having a website for free. And this is going to be a fast and easy method, right? So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, first and foremost, what we're going to be covering is authority marketing, but before we actually go into the actual content, what we're going to do is find 3 different offers within the health, wealth, and romance niche. So I'm going to go to the Clickbank. If you guys don't know what Clickbank is, basically it's a affiliate marketplace where you can find different categories of products, and in these products you can go ahead and basically promote them, and any sales that you generate for a product that somebody else created, you're going to go ahead and actually generate a commission. So we're going to go ahead and actually start with health, right? So health, wealth, and romance are the niches that we want to go ahead and actually promote products in. Now what we're going to do before we actually promote the product is we're going to go ahead and actually look at what this product is. So I'm just going to go, by the way, I filter by gravity score, and what that means is the amount of people, which is 512 people, who have generated a sale with this product within the last week. And then instead of actually letting the sales video play, the sales video play, I'm going to go ahead and actually mute this. So this is the first product. It's basically saying, here's how I saved my wife's life with a 5-second hack that kills food cravings and melts 62 pounds of raw fat. So that is a weight loss product. So product number 2 is we're going to go to affiliate marketplace. And then what we're going to do is find a romance product, right? So health, wealth, and romance. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to find products, and I'm going to go to filter by gravity. And the top program to promote in the romance category is His Secret Obsession, which is basically pays out $45.65 on average as far as commissions, and they pay out 90% commission, so you could literally earn $40 per sale. And 208 people have successfully promoted this within the last 7 days. So I'm going to go ahead and actually open this one and see what this one looks like. So His Secret Obsession. What I'm going to do is take a look here. So this one has no headline, but I mean the title of the actual product should tell you enough as far as what it is. Basically, attraction secrets, so how to attract men. His Secret Obsession. So it's how to attract men, basically. And then what we're going to do is affiliate marketplace. So basically that's a product that we're selling to help women find love. So I'll start talking while I'm actually finding these products. Basically, what is affiliate marketing? You're basically the bridge between somebody who is trying to solve a problem, and you are basically promoting a product that helps people solve that problem. So another one is Overnight Millionaire. That's within the wealth niche. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually press promote. It's $28. They pay out, I believe, like maybe 50% commission. So I'm just going to go ahead and press, or actually even 75%. So I'm going to go ahead and see what this actually looks like before I decide to promote it. And then it's just a guy and a girl who are smiling together. And then it says Overnight Millionaire Mind Hacks Secretly Used by the Rich and Famous. So that's the headline, right? So let's go ahead and actually backtrack a little bit. Basically, this is a product that helps people lose weight. This is a product that helps women find love. This is a product that helps people attract wealth, right? Wealth and abundance. So let's actually go back to authority marketing. Now, what is authority marketing? Authority marketing is basically when you get people to, so you build an audience of people who know, like, and trust you, right? And basically, after you get them to know, like, and trust you, right, you turn that fan into a customer, right? So the easiest way to do that is to help them solve their problem. So there's different methods out there like blogging, email marketing, YouTube video marketing, so on and so forth. All of these methods, building an Instagram fan page or Facebook fan page, all of these methods are authority marketing, right? What you're doing is you're building a following of people who know, like, and trust you. And the way that you're doing that is you're publishing free content. And that content that you're publishing is helping people solve that problem. So first off, before I talk about monetization, let's go ahead and actually give you guys an example of 3 different ways we would market this product. So what is the number 1 keyword that people are going to go ahead and type into their internet browser who want to learn how to lose weight? That will be, wrong one. So that would probably be how to lose weight. So basically, how to lose weight is what most people are going to go ahead and search in first if they want to start their weight loss journey, right? So the people who are trying to solve the same problem are going to be searching online for free content on how to lose weight. What is a woman who's trying to attract a guy? If I was a woman trying to attract a guy, or if I was a guy trying to attract a girl, I would personally type in how to flirt with a guy, right? So women aren't going to go ahead, like men may comment something stupid like how to have sex with a girl, but a woman on the other hand would probably say something along the lines of how to flirt with a guy, right? And then we're gonna go to, last but not least, if I was trying to build wealth, I would write something along the lines of how to make money online, or even like how to get rich. But I'm not even gonna say how to get rich. How to make passive income may be a good one. So like how to make passive income, that's a good one right there, right? Cool. So what we're gonna do is, now that we have found this free content, right, we want to go ahead and actually be somebody like these people who are creating these pieces of content. And basically, if you notice, this guy has 2.1 million views. If you notice, this guy has 1.2 million views. And if we go back to over here, like some of the top ones have like 2.1 million views. So basically what you're doing is that 2 million people, right, a portion of those people who have came across your content, you're going to go ahead and actually redirect that attention towards an affiliate offer. And if you don't, there's going to be a high chance that that person actually decides to subscribe to your YouTube channel, right? So basically, 2.1 million views. Let's just say that one video gave this person 20,000 subscribers. Those are loyal fans who know, like, and trust this person, because this person continues to produce content teaching people how to lose weight. Then eventually when they're ready to actually take their weight loss journey to the next level and actually invest financially into themselves, when this person actually recommends an offer for them to make a purchase with, they're going to go ahead and actually buy it. So let's go ahead and actually go back into right here, right? Now, there's 2 ways that you can go ahead and actually do authority marketing. And one is personal brand, one is company brand, right? So personal brand is an example of my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Eric Ellis Jr., right? So yes, I teach affiliate marketing, but I'm leveraging my personal brand to do so. However, a company brand would be like, let me see if any of these YouTube channels have a personal brand right here. So we have Wealth Hacker. So there you go. Wealth Hacker is an example of a company brand. Nate O'Brien is an example of a personal brand. So you guys got it, right? Now, what's the difference between the two? If I do a company brand, that's the type of content that you want to be creating if you don't want to be showing your face. So if you want to publish content like YouTube content, but you don't want to show your face, what you can then do is you can go ahead and actually create a company brand, right? And hide behind the computer screen, right? So this is what you'll need, right? If you want to build a personal brand, all you really need is a smartphone, right? You can literally go ahead and set up your smartphone, and you could go ahead and create content teaching people how to lose weight, teaching people how to find love, or teaching people how to make money, right? And basically just give them tips, right? So the way that you can go ahead and actually find this information out there to actually help these people is literally be an information broker. Now, what is an information broker, right? Let me actually write that down. Info broker. An info broker is you didn't know this information. You just found it elsewhere, and then you decided to go and actually learn it and reteach it to people who are trying to solve that problem. So with that being said, in the future, when you start creating more content about weight loss, instead of people going all around the internet, they just know you're the go-to guy or gal to learn about weight loss, or you're the go-to guy or gal to learn about affiliate marketing, making money online, finding love, so on and so forth, right? So you're an info broker. You're finding information all over the internet. And for those who wonder what I do with my YouTube channel, is I am an information broker. Guys, I did not come up with affiliate marketing. I did not come up with the concept of Clickbank or Facebook ads. But instead of you going just all around the internet, I'm just your go-to guy when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing. So that's me being an info broker, right? Now I'm leveraging my personal brand to help people solve a problem, teaching them how to make money with Clickbank, right? So I'm producing free content, and then I also have paid programs, paid products that if you're willing to actually invest into yourself at a higher level, shameless plug, click the link in my description to work with me. right? Then you guys can actually invest. But if you guys don't never invest, no problem. I'm just going to give you guys value until you guys decide to actually pull the trigger and make an investment. The same thing goes, right? You're building reciprocity and getting these people to know, like, and trust you. And then what you're going to do is now it's time to actually monetize, right? So the way that we're going to go and actually monetize, let me go ahead and actually exit out of these products here. We know what they are. The way that we're going to go and actually monetize is we're going to go ahead and literally just click this big red button that says promote. So we're going to click promote right there. We're going to click promote right here. We're going to go ahead and click promote right here. So with that being said, right, we're going to go ahead and press promote. And then what we're going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and show you with one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and actually generate my hop link here. Right, if you're logged into your Clickbank account, it should give you this long, ugly link. But instead of using this long, ugly link, right, so instead of building a website, you guys are going to be doing something called direct linking. So I'll show you guys an example of what direct linking is. Now, what you want to do is go to bit.ly.com, bitly.com, create an account, and then you're going to go ahead and paste this long, ugly link. And then I'm going to just say, I can create a custom link on the back end, right? So I'm just going to say long, ugly link, right? Because I'm not going to actually use this. So long, ugly link. And then now I have this link called long, ugly link. And instead of using a website, I'm literally going to be driving this online website traffic, not to my website, but I'm going to be direct linking to the affiliate offer. And at the top here, you guys see hop link equals health uni. Basically, I'm going to be redirecting these people towards my affiliate offers. Now, how does this actually work, right? We know that we have a link. We didn't need a website. This is a free marketing strategy. Now it's time to actually create content to promote this link. So how do we know what type of content to create? The easiest way, guys, is literally go to how to lose weight and find authority marketers. So for example, if you look here, Mayo Clinic has 2.1 million views and Mayo Clinic has 215,000 views. So they are literally, Mayo Clinic is an authority marketer. So if we go to Mayo Clinic, they have 389,000 subscribers, the #1 hospital in the nation. So they're a hospital, but you guys can just become an authority marketer. And then if we go to videos here, right? If they were to create just weight loss videos, if they were smart, right? Let me actually go to sort by most popular. So what you want to do is find these authority marketers, and then you want to literally just swipe their most popular videos. So for example, Mayo Clinic, now you definitely don't want to get into female fertility, but basically anything dealing with weight loss. So 6 simple ways to lose a little weight. So I would go ahead and actually watch this video, consume the content, learn it, be an information broker, and to reteach it on my channel, right? Now, after I reteach this content, I'm then going to go ahead and put a call to action link in my description. I don't know if they have a call to action link, but here's a call to action link right here. So they're promoting their Mayo Clinic app. So what you can do is you want to go ahead and actually at the top of your video, you want to have keywords. So you want to make sure you have this, whatever keyword you're trying to rank for. So you literally just put the title at the top, 6 simple ways to lose weight. And then you can go ahead and have your bit.ly link, which would be long ugly link, right? I would go ahead and put my bit.ly link in the description of my YouTube channel, which is where they have the Mayo Clinic. Make sure it is above the fold, which is meaning it is your call to action link is above the show more. And then what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna go ahead and at the end of your video, you're going to go ahead and have a call to action saying if you want to learn more about losing weight, and you want to learn how to lose weight fast, click the link in my bio to watch a free video. Then when they click the link, it's going to go to redirect them to your affiliate offer, which is the direct linking method. You don't need a website. They already have sales and marketing materials done for you. And then that traffic is going to go ahead and convert into sales. Now, for example, let's just say a lot of these people, because they just came across you, they don't make a purchase. What happens is if you consistently create content, it may be the 6th video that these people actually subscribe. These people subscribe to you. Maybe the 6th video, right? That they actually watch. And they're like, okay, this person's giving me enough value. Let me go and actually click that link in the description. Then once they click the link in the description, they go to your sales video and they decide to make a purchase, and you make a commission. Now, the amazing part about this method is that you have content that is surfacing on the internet. Let's just say this one right here, 2 years ago, that's over 2 years ago, that's surfacing on the internet, that's still making you money. right? And the same thing goes for over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to 3 Playful Flirting. So I'm gonna go to Matthew Hussey. I'm gonna go to his top videos, and then I'm gonna go and actually model his content. I'm gonna be a knowledge broker. Next is Nate O'Brien. So he teaches people how to make money online. I'm gonna go and click his profile. I'm gonna go to most popular videos, and then I'm going to be a knowledge broker. So what you want to do is build either a personal or a personal brand or a non-personal brand. And for those of you like, well, I don't want to show my face, guys, I'm not showing my face right now, right? And I'm still recording the video showing you guys value. Now, yes, I show my face in the beginning and the after of these videos, but if I really didn't want to, I really could be like a no-name, faceless guy, teach you guys how to make money online. And is that going to make you not trust me as much? No. If I'm giving you guys practical value, you guys are going to go and trust me over time. Because I've given you so much value, then eventually when I go ahead and recommend an affiliate offer and I drive you guys to that link, that bit.ly link in my description, you guys click that link, you guys will basically convert into a customer. Because you know the products I'm selling are obviously going to go ahead and help you if I've given you enough free value. So with that being said, what you're going to do is become an authority marketer and a knowledge broker. You're going to go and build an audience of people who know, like, and trust you because you're a knowledge broker, basically brokering knowledge that you did not come up with. You just learned it from somebody else. You reteach it, right? So you're the go-to guy or gal, and then that audience that you start to build over time, you're going to be able to redirect these affiliate links. You don't need a website. You simply use a link shortener like bit.ly. You direct link to the affiliate offer, and then what you're going to go ahead and do is start driving that traffic to your affiliate offers and making some money. If you're a smart person, what you're going to do is actually reinvest that additional income into paid marketing strategies and hit them with the 1-2 punch, right? Literally scale your income to where you can eventually transition from walking away from your 9-to-5 and quitting your job. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to work with me and you guys want to actually learn paid marketing strategies and you guys do want to learn how to build web pages that convert leads into customers, and you guys want to learn email marketing, copywriting, persuasion through the written word, basically just become a freaking marketing wolf or a marketing wizard to where you can just literally print money online. If you guys want to go to the next level with Clickbank or affiliate marketing, where you guys have been trying to do Clickbank affiliate marketing for a long period of time and it just hasn't been working for you and you feel stuck and frustrated and you want a mentor, click the first link in the description. I'm currently working with 3 more people. First come, first serve. Click that link, take action. And I look forward to potentially connecting with you and basically taking